Hey, what's going on, guys? Chaos here, and I'm recording another video. So this is going to be a video on how to use remote events. So pretty much what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your remote event inside of the replicated storage. And I'm just going to name this test. So let's just say you want, when a player clicks a button on the screen, to give them currency. What you're going to do, you're going to want to put a local script inside of whatever button you want the user to press. So I had this example button here, and I'm going to want, what you're going to want to do, create a variable for the event. So you're going to go local test equals game dot replicated storage dot test. So this basically allows you to call test whenever you want to call the event. So let's just say the user clicks the button. So we're going to go script parent dot mouse button one click connect function, and we're going to event, and this will automatically put an end. So to fire the event, you're going to want to go test fire server, and let's just say you want them to get, I don't know, let's just go 6 coins when the user clicks the button, and we're just going to put that data in there. Yeah, you can send as much as you want. You can just go ahead and, I don't know, send a string. This is text, and I could probably just print that out. But so I have my basically your test script here, and you're going to want to do the same thing here. So you're going to want to copy this line, put it inside of the server script. This is your event again, and so when you have an event, you're going to want to go test the on server event connect function, and it's going to automatically send the player that fired the event. So you're going to want to go player or wherever you want to call the player, and then the data. So let's just do data. Let's just do this will be the amount of coins I sent, so I'm going to do amount, and then this will be the string I sent, so I'm going to do string. And you're going to drop a line, and it's going to automatically add that end there. So this is where, when the event is fired to the server, it's going to complete whatever action you put inside of the function. So pretty much, I'm going to like I said, I'm going to want to give the coins to the player. So you're going to go player, or you're going to go local coins equals player dot leader stats dot coins, and we're going to go drop a line, go coins dot value equals coins dot value plus amount. And I sent that string over, so I'm going to go ahead and print the string. And this is, I'm going to show you how this works. Pretty much you're going to go into the game, and this is sending information to the server. So you're going to send information to the client as well. So you're going to want to click the button that's going to give you 6 cash every time that the button is clicked. Now let's just say I don't want this string to be printed until, I don't know, let's just say I didn't even set the string at all. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So I'm going to remove this here. Let's just say I want to send a message over to the client. So you're going to want to go test fire client player You can also do firewall clients, have an action happen to all the clients in the server. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do it to the player, and we're going to send over 6S, basically saying they got their coins, and yeah, so that just fired it to the player that fired the event in the first place. And so you're going to want to go test the on client event connect function, and so you sent over the string, so I'm going to go ahead and go string, and then print string. And so when the player clicks the button, it will print success every time they successfully get their coins, every time that event is fired. Now you can also add a cooldown on this, but let's see. You do a wait time on these, so I'm going to go local, what do I want to call this? I'm just going to call this X because I forgot what I want to call this variable, equals false. Okay. And then if X, sorry, this has got me all messed up because when I think about this, so if X, alright, so true. If X, then fire the event, and then X equals false, and then you put in your wait time. Let's say you want to wait 1 second before the player can get the set coins, and you want to go X equals true. So pretty much, yeah. As you can see, it doesn't allow me to get coins until 1 whole second has passed. So I gotta go click, click, click. Oops. So yeah, that wraps up this tutorial. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any other suggestions for future videos, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.